They want to play. Hi, Miriam. Hi, Miriam. Hi. Get your new toys. Miriam might want to play with some new toys. There's some chew bones and some little baby-sized toys for them. You want to check the safety of those toys, Miriam? This is really cute. It's like a See 'n Say. I mean, it doesn't really work like a See 'n Say, but it's got ropes they can chew on, and it smells like peanut butter. You like that? You like that? What does that smell like? Well, you got Cookie. You got a new toy? Oh, you got a new toy, Cookie. Hey, Cookie. Hey, Cookie. What you got, Cookie? Mama wants to help. Kate, you got a Chewy? Got Chewy, Kate? Oh, they're gonna share. That's nice. You want this one? You want this one? Here. There you go. Good babies. Miriam, you gonna play with toys too? Nylabones, those are safe. Can't eat them. They're specially made for little babies. Small enough, but very well made so they can't eat any little pieces off them. This is my Riley panting on the other side of the X-Pen. Hi, Riley. Sit, Riley. No, you can't come in, Riley. Riley wants to come in and play with the new toys. Oh, Miriam is giving them a warning growl. Good for you, Miriam. Say, leave my babies alone. They have new toys and they're going to play. Look at that basket full of puppies. Bed full of puppies. What you doing in there? Oh, chew, chew, chew. Oh, that's a big toy. Can you get it? Take it into bed with you. Lift it in. Maybe sister will help you. You gonna help him? Good girl, Katie. Oh, I'm gonna pull it to my lap. Miriam's checking her baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, here comes the baby on my lap. What you got, Cookie? See who's in the bed. See who's in the bed. What you got? Who's in there? Who's in there? Hiding. Hiding with a Nylabone. Who is it? Who is that in there? Here comes brothers and sisters. They're going to help you. Uh-oh. There goes Kate. Are you going to help, brother? Oh, you're going to go night-night. Hey, Katie. Hey, Katie, Kate. Hi, baby doll. Hi, Katie. Hi, Katie. Hi, Katie. Got a Cookie. Cookie. Cookie.